Harbor Freight just dropped some new ITC appreciation deals. It's the super deals for ITC members only. It's going to be going for the week starting on June 19th and going until June 25th. The deals will be valid for all those days. If you're not yet an ITC member, you can join for $30 a year or go to the store for a 2-year plan at 45 bucks. Now let's head to the first item. I'll show you the deals. All right, first up is going to be on the Icon multi-spline extractor set. It's a 25-piece set that ranges from sizes 1/8 of an inch all the way up to 7/8 of an inch. Comes in a hard premium blow molded case. They offer the lifetime warranty, and the retail price is 70 bucks, and you'll be able to save 50% on this and pick it up for $35. I mean, excellent deal on it. And again, you can go anytime during the whole week because these deals are going to be valid for the entire week. It's not one deal per day. So I want to make sure I'm clear on that. And next up is going to be an excellent deal on the Icon 2100 lumen rechargeable floodlight. It has a magnetic base to it, and the head of this does swivel 360 degrees back and forth. It's water, dust, impact resistant. This is compatible with the underhood floodlight system, which is sold with one light, so you can add a second light to that system. And it does have different modes to it. 2100 high beam, which is rated at 2.5 hours for the battery life. The medium is 1,000 lumens. It'll run for 5.5 hours. And low is 280 lumens, and it'll go for 12 hours. It does come with a USB-C charging cord, and this thing is nice and bright. So excellent deal where right now the retail price is 50 bucks, and you'll be able to save 45% on that and pick it up for 30 bucks. So save 20 bucks on that. It's an excellent deal on it. And it certainly pays to be an ITC member when they do deals like this throughout the year with the ITC Super Deals, which they say is saving 45% on this light. And that would be based on their tag that they have it as a regular price of $55. Well, at my store, they still have it priced at 50. So they might be doing a price increase where they're saying you're going to save 45%. But regardless, the deal price is going to be $29.99. So it is a good deal, picking it up for 30 bucks. All right, the next deal is going to be on the Pittsburgh brand of the 7-piece ratcheting combination wrench set, available on both the SAE and metric. So the SAE ranges from size 5/16 up to 3/4 of an inch, and the metric is from 8 millimeter up to 17 millimeter. And they do retail at 30 bucks, and you'll actually be able to save 50% on them and pick it up for only $15. I mean, excellent deal on them, and they do offer the lifetime warranty. So not a bad deal at all for some ratcheting wrenches. I was hoping there was going to be a deal on the Icon ratcheting wrenches, even though I just picked some up, but I'm sure others would have wished the same, especially when they did the deal the previous time on the Icon anti-slip grip wrenches, where they had 50% off on those. And they're going to have a pretty good deal on the Quinn 3/8 drive digital torque wrench. It's a 72 tooth ratchet with a 5-degree arc swing, and it's rated to go from 5 to 100 foot-pounds of torque range. And it is digital, has an LCD readout with visual and audible indicators. And you can also store up to 9 preset torque settings with that as well. So it looks like a pretty nice torque wrench. So the retail price on this is 170 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for $110, which is going to be saving 60 bucks on that, and that is going to be 35% off. That would be an excellent deal on the torque wrench. And if you're enjoying this video so far, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this. Now let's head to the next deal. So if you do a lot of towing and have a need for the magnetic LED towing light kit by Kenway brand, it runs on 12 volts. It fits towing vehicles less than 80 inches wide, and it has a 4-way connector to it. The retail price is 33 bucks on that. And so you'll be able to pick it up for 19 bucks, saving 42% on it. Now this next deal, I imagine, is going to probably sell out pretty quick. It's going to be on this Quinn 15-piece screwdriver set that has the magnetic tips to them and the comfort grip. So it has various sizes of the Phillips and slotted screwdrivers. The retail price is 28 bucks. And so you'll be able to save 50% on this set and pick it up for $14. It's going to be an awesome deal on it. And they also offer the lifetime warranty on them, of course. And it'd be a great pickup for only 14 bucks. And here's the back of the package, so you can see all the different sizes of the Phillips and slotted. And they're even going to have a deal on a extreme duty tarp. It's a 12 mil one in the silver and black, 8 foot by 10 foot. And that retails for 15 bucks. And you'll actually be able to save 53% on it and pick it up for only $7. Another excellent deal, especially if you need an extreme duty tarp. And the next deal is going to be on the Pittsburgh 40-inch low profile creeper. It offers a 300-pound capacity, high impact PVC frame, and it's available in the multiple colors of the gray, black, green, and blue. And the retail price on that is 40 bucks. And you'll actually be able to pick it up for only $25, and that's going to be saving 37% on it. So it'll be an excellent deal there. Again, you have your selection of the different colors that are included in that deal. So without a doubt, it is a good deal to save 37% on it and pick it up for 25. And the next deal is going to be on the Viking 2000 peak amp jump starter pack. They say it's good for V10s up to 8 liter and diesel up to 6 liter. So it is going to be limited on that aspect as far as the engine size goes. And this is only a jump starter, so it's not an inflator as well. But it does double as a battery bank, so you could charge up devices with it. The retail price on that is 140 bucks, and you'll actually be able to save $50 on that and pick it up for 90. So that's going to be 36% off. So it is decent savings on it. But if you're in the market for something like this, I would highly recommend going for one of the two brands that I reviewed on both the jump starter and compressor in one. And it's going to be in a similar price range as this retail price or even on the sale price. I will put a link up above to the recent review that I did on the Wolf Box system. It's an excellent one. And that one is actually a 4,000 peak amp. So it's going to be double the capacity. It's going to be able to handle all gas engines as well as diesel up to 10 liter, I believe it is. And it also has a built-in compressor. So it's a much better device compared to the Viking. That's been my biggest complaint about Viking is their limited capacity. And this is going to be their higher capacity one versus the other ones that they offer. It's only at a 1,000 peak amp, like the one next to it here. And then still, it's only a jump starter and not an inflator as well. So I definitely recommend having the 2-in-1 device so you're able to inflate tires and jump vehicles as well. And the next deal they have is it could be a deal on this Pittsburgh 2-ton aluminum floor jack. It goes to a max height of 15 7/8 and minimum height of 3.5 inches. It has a dual rapid pump to it, and they do say it's a low profile one. And so the retail price on this is 200 bucks, and you actually be able to save $80 on that and pick it up for $120. So that's going to be saving 40% on this jack. It's going to be an excellent deal there. And for a 2-ton jack, this would be great for you guys that are mobile mechanics and have a nice lightweight jack at 2-ton capacity. That'd be easy transportation and hauling it around. So without a doubt, saving 40% on it is an excellent deal. All right, that's going to be it for the Inside Track Club deals that's going to be going for the week, starting on the 19th through the 25th. And again, if you're not a member, some of these savings would help pay for the membership by itself. So whether it's the 1-year plan at 30 bucks or the 2-year plan in the store for 45 bucks. So definitely some great savings on these items if you happen to need any of these items right now. So excellent deals to consider. Again, and you have until the 25th to capture them. And if you get any value from this video, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more deal videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.